Good afternoon, everyone. This is Randy Hoskins with the NPC Welding Program. We just completed the Welding Completer ceremony in Taylor, Arizona. It was all three shops that brought over 60 students that completed the welding program. Now they're going over and they're talking to the different employers that really want to hire our students. The students that come out of the White Mountains, the NPC Navit Welding Program, they have a work ethic that is really highly sought after. And again, I'm very proud to be part of this program. Congratulations to all the students, all the hard work and powering through everything you had to do to get done. Thank you.
Congratulations, Welding Completers 2026. My name is Wes King. I'm the welding faculty at Painted Desert Campus, and just want to say congratulations to all our graduates this year. Good luck in your future.
Hello, my name is Adrian Manali. I'm the night instructor for Holbrook NPC, as well as I work during the day with Wesley King as a lab mate, helping him out as well. For me personally, I love teaching the students, so I made it a career out of it. Congratulations to all you guys' hard work into the future. Thank you.
I am the St. John's welding instructor, and I want to congratulate the class here of 2026. It has been awesome with you guys, and I'm going to miss you and hope to see you guys and see how you succeed in life. Thank you.
My name is Ron Lawson, and I serve you as the president of Northland Pioneer College. Let me say congratulations to all of the welding technicians who graduated today. We are so proud of the work that you've done. We're so proud of the incredible professors and the incredible staff that work with you each and every day. Look, you go forward. Make your mark in this world. Make all the money that you want. Come back and visit us from time to time and let us know how you're doing. And more especially, tell your friends and family so they can come be a part of the NPC family as well as you. Thank you.